Hello everyone, this is Codename Teach. If you're ready to be taught, let's go. In this episode, I'll show you how to download and install OBS Studio on your computer. So let's get right into it. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go on Google and search OBS Studio. Now you can go ahead and click the download button right away, or you could take the long route and go to OBS Studio. Here you're going to have the download button in the top right corner, so you're going to go and click download, and then depending on what operating system you use, you will select that and download the installer. So I have the old Mac x86 64, so I click this button, but if you have the M1 chip, you'll go ahead and click this button, go ahead and install it on your computer, in your applications, and you're good to go. That's all it is. It's pretty straightforward and simple. So if you feel like you've been taught, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more informative and intuitive videos. Thank you and goodbye.